Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is Friday, November 2nd. So happy Friday to all of you. So I just wanted to go over a couple of quick announcements really quick for us today. For our announcements for PTCO, butter braids are due next Friday, no later than next Friday. So this is your last weekend to sell. All the extra profits that go from the fundraisers help out to buy certain things for the school, such as like the swing that's on the playground this year. So the more you sell, the bigger items that we can get for the school then. Also, boys and girls, I want to apologize. I'll get the November birthday list out on Monday for all of you. So whatever birthdays we might have had from this November 1st on, I will announce them on Monday. Lunch choices for today: fish nuggets with roll, cheese pizza, or chicken Caesar salad with Cheez-Its. And today our 4th grade students decided to do a little role play activity because they had noticed that some people are being loud in the bathroom. So they thought that what they would do is role play that, and maybe we can correct some of these behaviors of being and making sure that we're staying quick and quiet while we use the bathroom.
Hi Andrew, how are you today?
Good. There's some people being very loud in there.
Oh, in the bathroom they're being really loud? Okay, have they been in there for quite a while?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll tell them to get out, okay? Alright. Girls, you're being really loud in here. A couple students already said that you need to come out.
Okay.
All right, boys and girls, especially when you're using the bathroom. You go to the bathroom, you use it, you're quick, you're quiet, you're clean, you get out, you go back to class. So you don't hang around in the bathroom, you don't talk, that's not a time to do that. You do what you need to do, and then you get back out and get back to class. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you, and if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you, 4th grade, for the Pledge of Allegiance for today. All right, boys and girls, it is Friday today. It's the last day of the week. It's the last day to make your mark for this week, so make great choices, make it a great day, and finish out the week strong. I know you can do it, and I'll see you all very soon.